Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to be opening up the box by Fashionsta. I'm so excited to have this box back. The last one I got I think was February maybe. I know that the box was having some issues fulfilling and sending out boxes even before everything with COVID happened. But then when COVID hit, they really shut down. So this is actually considered the June box, and then they will not be sending out July boxes. So hopefully by August, everything should be back to normal. But if you don't know, this is $25 a month. I did get grandfathered and locked in at the $19.99 a month price. But this is my favorite subscription. You usually get around 5 or 6 full-size items, and they are more of like the indie brand kind of things, which is what I personally think is so exciting because you just never really know what you're gonna get. So without further ado, let's crack in. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like right here. And then we do have a card as well as the information on the back, just letting us know everything that we received. And it does say that the retail value is $140.50. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out is this, and this is from Double Dare, and it's the 2-in-1 Soothing Mask Kit. So it looks like there's a step 1 and a step 2. All right, so this says Jet 2-in-1 Soothing Face Mask Kit. This retails for $9. It says soothe and moisturize your skin with super antioxidants such as cactus fruit and rose hip. The Jet mask will keep your skin rejuvenated, hydrated, and shield against harmful environmental stress. So you have your step 1, which is a soothing microfiber towelette, and then your step 2, which is a super hydrating soothing mask. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is this, and this is from Shivani Beauty, and it's the Marvel Elixir. There's the packaging right there, really pretty, and here is the elixir. I love the way this looks. It's a really pretty like amber color, and then the bottle is really, really pretty with the little squeezy topper right there. So let's read about this. So this is the Shivani Marvel Elixir, and this retails for $54. This is a multi-purpose hybrid formula that is both a primer plus a beauty oil. It's fast absorbing, lightweight properties assist in delivering firmer, plumper, and more youthful looking skin for a hydrated, radiant, and flawless complexion. Okay, so it's vegan, cruelty-free, all that good stuff. Okay, so we have a maracuja infused primer oil. Let's give it a little sniff. Ew, I don't know. I don't know if I should have smelled that. It's got like, it definitely has an oil smell to it, you know, just like a typical oil smell. It doesn't have like any added fragrance in it, which is actually a good thing. I would prefer it not have any added fragrance in there. So I'm excited to use that. I do have dry skin, and I don't normally really go crazy about oils, but this does feel like it absorbs really quickly. So, okay, cool. And next up is Bye Bye Germs, and this is from Omgsh, which is also Double Dare. And so we have a little hand sanitizer. This has the ethyl alcohol 62%, kills 99.9% of germs. And yeah, so it's just a hand sanitizer gel, and this is $5.50. Moving right along, the next guy I'm pulling out is the Herbal Dynamics Beauty. It's a clean and calm cucumber and blue lotus micellar water. I've really been into micellar waters lately. It's just really good to, even after you wash your face to remove your makeup, it just kind of gets the little nasty bit that's left behind. So there's the bottle right there. Really pretty, just very like subtle packaging. I don't know, is that the word subtle? I don't think that's the word I'm looking for. But anyway, okay, so this is the Herbal Dynamics Cucumber Blue Lotus Micellar Water. This retails for $16. It says it gently and effectively cleanses your skin of oils, makeup, and other impurities with this one-step complexion Brightening Micellar Solution. And this can be used as a toner or a one-step cleanser. No need to rinse. Cruelty-free, sulfate, paraben, phthalate-free. So it seems like it's probably just really, really good for you. And normally you just like kind of pour this out on a little cotton pad and then just wipe your face with it. So I do like that it's a micellar / toner water, so you can kind of like do 2 steps at once. So cool, like that. All right, next up I'm pulling out this really pretty packaging from Emily Alexander. And so it's like black packaging with like a little pink mermaid there. And this is in the shade maybe Coral Reef. It says Coral Reef on the box, so let's see. And so this, we just have like a blue, oh my gosh. This has been a day, you guys. A pink metallic packaging. And here's the color, okay. Yes, the color is Coral Reef. And as you can see, it is very interestingly shaped bullet lipstick. It does have like the mermaid scales there, which is really, really cool, embossed on the tube of lipstick. And then it has a very dramatic curve there, I guess, to kind of hug the lips or to outline the lips. I'm not gonna swatch it. This is a color I normally would wear, but probably closer to the fall. I don't really know if I would wear that right now currently. Also, I have the Cab Charming Lip Duo that we got in our BoxyCharm. I have that on my lips right now and I really, really like it. But okay, so let's see what it says about this. This is the Emily Alexandra lipstick, vegan and cruelty-free, ocean-friendly, water-resistant sunscreen ingredients. It says keeping your lips hydrated and happy. So this is retailed at $18. All right, and last but not least is the Glam Light Alondra Desi 15 Luxury Eyeshadow Palette. Here is what the outside packaging looks like. Really, really pretty. And then I'm assuming that is Alondra Desi. I'm not assuming, I know that that's Alondra Desi. She is an influencer. And I've never tried Glam Light's eyeshadow formula before, but I've heard really, really good things about it. So I'm very excited to try this. And this is so pretty. It's just like a really nice flocked, kind of velvety, textured packaging. Really, really super pretty. And then here's the inside. Oh, there goes a little plastic. Oh yeah, that is gorgeous. Here are the colors right here. I'm just gonna bend back the mirror so I don't blind you guys, but it does have a really nice full-size mirror. This is really, really pretty. I really love this. It does kind of make me get like Natasha Denona Sun. Is it the Sunset palette? I know she has a Sunrise palette and then the Sunset palette, which is more like these kind of tones. So, okay, I'm excited for that. Let's see what it says. So it's the Glam Light Alondra Desi eyeshadow palette. This retails for $38. So 15 luxurious eyeshadows thoughtfully curated by Alondra Desi, 8 intensely pigmented mattes that blend like a dream, 3 ultra dazzling diamond shimmers, and 1 dynamic duochrome shade. 3 shimmers. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and allergy tested. So let's do some swatches. I know I'm like the world's worst swatcher, but let's do some mattes. So we're gonna do Horchata, Boss Babe. Let's do this yellow, and that's in the shade Sunshine. And then let's do Selena. So those are the colors right there. I know my hands or my fingers are always so dry. And whenever I go back to like edit the videos, I'm like, oh, girl. Okay, so those are those shades right there. The yellow didn't swatch the best. Let's see if we can't build that up. But typically, yellows aren't really the best. It does build up. Let's try to build up that Horchata color. That's gonna be a gorgeous transition, like crease color. So there's those shades. Super, super pretty. And I wish I had like a rag or something in here. One second. Okay, so I tried my best to kind of get these swatches off so we can do some shimmers. So I'm gonna go in with Lit, which is this really pretty shade right here. Let's do Poppin', Glam, and let's do this Rosé All Day, which those kind of feel like maybe a pressed glitter almost, or pressed pigment. So those look really pretty. Let's see. Ooh, wow. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Glam is super pretty. with this Rose All Day. Ugh. I'm just kind of building the swatches up a little bit. They did swatch really nice though, even with that first swatch, but I just kind of want to build it up just a tad so you guys can see. So those are super pretty, very metallic and foiled. And I'm sure that they could probably be even better applied with a wet brush or even with like some kind of glitter glue underneath, but I'm very impressed with this palette. I cannot wait to put it all over my eyes. So I am super stoked. I'm so happy that the box is back. Let's go over everything one more time. So we have our Beauty Elixir oil. We have our Double Dare two-step face mask, the hand sanitizer, the lipstick. We also have our micellar water, and then our beautiful palette from Glamlight. So well worth the wait, and well worth the $20. The box is easily my favorite subscription. I just love it. I love my Boxy, I love my Ipsy, but there's just something really special and unique about the box. So anyway, thanks so much you guys for watching, and until next time, bye.